So I got a couple of requests on how do I make my pork rub. What you need is a dozen ingredients. What we'll start with is half a cup of brown sugar. So I already measured in there. It's kind of sticky, so I'll just put it in there. Next ingredients is a quarter cup of paprika. This is a half cup scoop, so we'll just half of that. Third ingredients is coarse salt. So 2 tablespoons of coarse salt. Kosher salt, coarse salt, same thing. Fourth ingredient is 1 tablespoon of chili powder. Okay, then we have 1 tablespoon of onion powder. After that, it's 1 tablespoon of granulated garlic powder. Good. Next after that is, of course, black pepper. And it's 1 tablespoon of that. After that, it's 1 tablespoon of mustard powder. Second last is 2 teaspoons of cumin. The last ingredient is optional. It's 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, which some people find it too hot. I don't mind it. I'm gonna avoid it this time. So that's basically it for ingredients. And I'll take a whisk, mix it all up. And I'll put it in a mason jar container. That usually keeps it pretty good. I'll mix it till all the brown sugar's kind of very fine. I make small batches because the brown sugar seems to stick a lot, so I'll usually make small batches at a time, usually about that much at a time, enough for a couple of pork shoulders, some ribs, and then when I see it's getting low, I'll make another small batch. So the ingredients will be in the description below, and that's about to make, I'm guessing, 3-4 cups worth of spices. Enough to do 2 shoulders, 2 ribs. The ingredients have been in the description below. Check them out. I'm just going to keep grinding away at this till I get it fine, and then I'll put it in a mason jar because it seals properly and it holds for a while. So if you like the ingredients, you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you find it boring, try playing around with the settings, slower or faster, and you might find it entertaining. So we'll see you on the next video. Almost lost it. 1 tablespoon of those.